This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your phone with a PlayStation 4 controller. First, ensure your PlayStation 4 controller has enough battery for the process. To begin pairing, simultaneously press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button on your controller for a few seconds. You will notice the light bar on the controller start to flash quickly, indicating it is in pairing mode and ready to connect. This is the first crucial step to setting up your gaming experience. Now, grab your phone and navigate to its Bluetooth settings menu. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. You should see DualShock 4 wireless controller appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to initiate the connection. The controller's light bar will turn a solid color, usually blue, confirming a successful pairing with your phone. This connection enables your controller to send commands to your mobile device. With your controller successfully connected, open the Roblox application on your phone. Most Roblox games automatically detect controller input, allowing you to start playing immediately. Try moving your character or navigating menus with the analog sticks and buttons to confirm it works. If you encounter any issues, check the specific game settings, as some experiences offer controller remapping options. Enjoy a more immersive gaming experience. If your controller disconnects or acts inconsistently, ensure both your phone and controller are sufficiently charged. A quick restart of both devices can often resolve minor connectivity issues. Keep in mind that while many Roblox games support controllers, some older or less optimized experiences might not provide full functionality. Experiment with different games to find those that offer the best controller compatibility. Happy gaming with your new setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.